before I get into that, please subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. Help me get, I'm almost at 50. I'm almost at 50. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, I'll be at 50 subscribers. So yeah, illegal all the way. Oh man, okay. I'm gonna try and make this fast and quick because I want to eat my Chick-fil-A, and I just talked to my dad for a while, and I do like my Arnold Palmers. Okay, so this isn't really in particular per any brand. This doesn't fall. I mean, there are going to be brand comparisons, I would say, for what I'm going to do. But if you do this test, really, I'll come get my scan tool when I walk my dog. If you do this test, if you're buying like a used set of mufflers or a used catback or whatever, and you're kind of wondering what the car will sound like, and you know, videos never do anything justice, but at least you want to get a sound comparison level to how loud it's going to be. And this is strictly just for volume of things. Right here is a pair of, don't mind the hangers, all right? I'm a slob, I'm sorry. Okay, you know, I'm gonna come get those two later. This here is a pair of Corsa Extremes for $350. I have a pair of Corsa Sports on this car. So, real easy test to see how loud it is you gotta knock on it. You gotta do the watermelon test. I'm gonna say this is the watermelon test, and this is coming from Mexican, and you could use that same method and process to find out if you got a good set of mufflers or not, or if you got the right set for your car. Everyone knows how to knock on a watermelon. You go like, but if you're Mexican, you go like this. Okay, that one's good, that one's good. But you hear the echo. Essentially, the more open space is available inside the muffler that's not packed. When I say packed, there's like a steel wool or a packing material that they put around the muffler, and that kind of deadens the sound a little bit. The less you have of that, and the more tinny it sounds, and especially if it's like a open single chamber style type of muffler, it's gonna be louder compared to, and this is all live. Oh man, this is hot. Here we go. You can hear the difference. This is a Sport. This is an Extreme. Off the back, you can already tell that the sound that echoes out of these Sports versus the sound that echoes off of these Extremes are quite a bit different. So I don't want that one. If I'm good at watermelon, if I do the watermelon test, that's the one I want to get right there. So that's easy, that's real quick. And I even did it with my buddy's American racing set that I put on his car. I did originally buy those for mine, but they didn't fit, so I sold them to him, so whatever, it worked out. But you can tell a big difference. It was like this, and then hitting those mufflers, it was like, so off the back, real big difference. That's pretty much it. So yeah, just throwing it out there. And if you are gonna buy a used set of whatever, and you don't know the sound level of what you're gonna get later on, or after you put it on the car, that's an easy way to test it. So there's that. Hope you like it. More to come later. And like you can see here with the MagnaFlow one, these are packed a little better, so when you hit it, it sounds a little bit more solid. This is my old X-Pipe, and you can see where it was rubbing the ground on my Mustang. But definitely holds in a lot more sound. It definitely quieted the car down a whole bunch, actually more than what I wanted to. But it'll give you a little comparison of different types of mufflers and what they do, and you know how they will sound when you want to buy your own. So yeah.